So let's just dive into that if we can a little bit, Heath. Like let's talk about the very first one, initial call. Just tell us a little bit about the importance of that initial call. What does a potential buyer, what does a potential business owner need to go into that initial, what's the mindset they need to go into that initial phone call with?
I think it's really just be yourself, because I've always looked at the initial call kind of as a first date. It's really, casual, it's overview. They want you to come in with some questions about the brand ideally, but they really just want to get a feel for, hey, early on, can we tell if this person is a good fit for us or not? And I'm glad you used the approval or the awarded term with franchises, because some people think going in, it's like, they're going to wine and dine me and they're trying to roll out the red carpet and then I get to make the final decision. And it's really not like that. It's very much a mutual approval process. And this is that first step where you kind of mutually get to approve of each other. And it's also important to note that it is just an overview call. Some people, it can kind of get cold feet because they feel like this is the point of no return, but it's pure discovery day or pure discovery. And that's really like 80% of this entire process is all due diligence and discovery. And this initial call is just that first step to kind of feel each other out.